had high hopes in you. One gay minister among one minister of telecommunication. One of the important things on here Ghana you to see data prices. And of course, it kill us.
Yes.
And it was social media, Twitter, X, Jinamibi. So Ethiopia used data. And so we expect you to know best. As if you are it's nature, you figure say it be easy until you get closer. And see, the way Anna Sam George or Rickerson, some of us thought today, the very day they give him the mandate, and he knows what he's up to, and he would deliver. And to whom much is given,
much is expected.
Into Banadana chairman a fee was Azia Mawa in the everyday excuses. So we are telling you, some of us had high hopes in you. One gay minister among one minister of telecommunication. One of the important things on here Ghana you to see data prices. And of course, it kill us.
Yes.
And Ethiopia, it was social media, Twitter, X, Jinamibi. So Ethiopia used data. And so we expect you to know best.
I don't want peace. I don't want peace. I want problem. I want problem. Always.
You get it. You get it. If you don't get it, forget it. If you don't get it.
Yeah, how can you tell me this story?
All the lie. All the lie. All the lie. You said all the lie.
Power to the rich.
DJ Paco Rich, I had me Paco Rich Studios. Me alone.
Yeah.
Me my brother PKB.
PKB.
Yes.
PKB original.
Now we day here. Now I say today we are sending a very beautiful love letter to Oye
Sam
George. Sam George. And you Sam George PKB new role here base what be
Communications Minister.
Yes.
Minister for Communications in Ghana.
Yes.
Honorable Sam Jatta George.
Exactly. Na enkoma ye pede yenye Sam George yenye needs no respectfully. The reason being that nyana kutin oye campaign ma John Dramani Mahama Mobado. And then in the previous government, we realized there he was so loud on issues related to data and telecommunication. Now, one thing I love about President Mahama Nyende, Obia mo kase phone no ba no zo wa ho. You understand? So as of now where we dey talk, somebody like Samuel Okujato Ablakwa, what's the shine fan?
Foreign Affairs Ministry.
Foreign Affairs Ministry.
Honorable.
Where what did they do? They perform.
They perform. They do.
They terminate like some Terminator. Or bedroom passport details na they work.
Yeah.
Sammy Jenfi where them put them for.
They put them for good board.
Yes.
They in charge of good board.
Where Sam George Zata where them put them for.
Put them for Ministries of Communications.
Yeah, because on Yana or Twitter, there be a money agenda boys on your head in singing.
Esla Usu Ajene.
As I say. We all know Esla Usu, she was the previous Minister for Communication. Now, young Debia Sam George no to busy man. And you see, as if you are it's nature, you figure say it be easy until you get closer. And see, the way Anna Sam George or Rickerson, some of us thought today, the very day they give him the mandate, and he knows what he's up to, and he would deliver. And to whom much is given,
much is expected.
Into Banadana chairman a fee was Azia Mawa in the everyday excuses. So we are telling you, some of us had high hopes in you. One gay minister among one minister of telecommunication. One of the important things on here Ghana you to see data prices. And of course, it kill us.
Yes.
And Ethiopia, it was social media, Twitter, X, Jinamibi. So Ethiopia used data. And so we expect you to know best. So in times like this, and when we come to you, and we are complaining that Charlie, everybody they fire, Muhammad they fire, Atu forcing the fire. Aka won't say Jata, you are not Jataing. And so we expect you to do more now. And that's now an agenda boys are front and back. Ono the best said obey President Mahama will be a bench. On Fanam Brand on Found Cats on a bench because we not come do talk cry. It be action and quite saying
Straight.
BKB, I don't know your observation on these data issues and his
yeah.
fought and back with.
Yeah, I feel say
Yeah.
what Eden the ex-boys they do there, if for just JI and show working with the job, which he's already good at. Maybe, of course, in pet, you know, if we talk say, he wants to take the sole decision solely by telling the telcos to reduce prices. You know, they need to come together, have meetings, collaborate, and make sure that they are all on the same consensus. And just add the human being there, man. It made me feel say be our tight corner, but tight industry, tight ministry, no one. And what's the only agenda boys the year back and forth. Yeah, sometimes you have to come clear and all of that. But Charlie, make it just lay back, then do the job give we nice. Because we know say there are other people they work, but you see in place maybe very large industry.
Obiane de nanka to force no it don't make an excuse pa. See what can Oforata do for to forcing in department. But see the way Ato is forced, no do Sam George and no that.
Yeah, you see
every man excuses.
You see Sam George in parts, you see like we are saying the telcos them have like 3 or 4, right?
Yeah.
Alone, you know, if you make the decision. Me, self, the way he makes laws, I mean, I know, like, honestly, I wish still like by this time he will be proactive.
People now, Osla, when I know to them, oh, Osla, no, they do this, we go feed do that. And then if figure say, or today, yeah, train our no man. It was a difficult task. And so we felt that the Lion can do this job better.
But, well, 4 months in.
You understand?
And still, it is.
So we are pleading with Sam Wale, George A. Yes, sir. Enough of the casa. We don't want excuses because this time the youth of Ghana, them are IOP. They know what's up. You can't tell them something and give them something else. Obia ambo so ukwani mo gesem, but that as a yadzi woman mude yare chinchinai because some people are ready to come at us because we gave them our word that you guys will deliver.
Yeah, man.
And if you, Sam, you are not delivering now, we will step on your balls for you to deliver. Yet, see our Shwado may deliver.
Oh, but updates deal.
Updates, they will be the updates.
So the updates we say, it just dropped today, you know. The update we say from 1st July, you know, like, then decrease things more. So Airtel and Telecel will do minus 10%, then MTN will do minus 15% on data bundles. So, yeah, from 1st July.
Well, till there, you're still, Uncle Sam. Ningo pram and full put the new one in your house. Since any Ghana and any DC. If you not perform, you want true as players in a bit of bench. Baba Sadik self no play some. In yeah. Baba Sadik come about second half. Aye.
Telcos to implement new changes to data bundles effective July 1st from Sam George. And I can say, Economqua no bit me my order. Say telcos netiswa. Oh, obey my.
But you keep about order. You see, at the backstage, why they did. Then you should know that everybody on the phone. So now you've given people hopes. I'm gonna be high romance. It's the papa you don't get there. Why the address? You know they work that way, Sam George.
No.
Please stop the talking and show the work. Ghana now you a street person. A So we too we go talk to you from our chest because that be the street vibe. Our street boy. Atasa, it is out. We don't love you, but yeah, you would chess our 2 data.
I don't want peace. I want problem. Always.
You get it. If you don't get it, forget it. If you don't get it.
Yes, yeah. How can you tell me this story?
All the lie. You said all the lie.
Power to the rich.